Good morning to Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Today is March 23, 2024. Welcome to the short weather forecast. My name is Rene Ivan Dilakaden, your weather counselor for today. Live in city of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. On March 22, 2024, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, or PAGASA, just announced that the winter northeast monsoon is coming to an end much sooner and earlier. The winter northeast monsoon, or amihan, is a weather pattern characterized by a less strong east and northeast breeze that brings cold and dry air to the country. This air is brought by cold places like Russia, China, and Mongolia. It is experienced in the country's dry season. Because of that, in a few days, the summer southwest monsoon is going to govern the country's weather. The summer southwest monsoon, or Havagan, is a weather pattern characterized by a strong west and southwest hot and humid air that brings rainfall to the country. This air increases the evaporation and condensation of the water, which brings rain. Easterlies is still currently affecting the country's provinces. Easterlies are warm winds that are generated from the Pacific Ocean and it brings cloudy skies and isolated storms and thunderstorms. Because of that, make sure to bring your umbrella when going outside or stay indoors to protect yourself from the rain. Since it's going to be the summer season in the Philippines, make sure to protect yourselves from this heat. Stay hydrated and cooled down. And also, bring your umbrella because it's going to be really hot this afternoon. Once again, this is Rene Ivan, your weather guy, signing out. Goodbye, stay safe.